New to Capital Auto World's range, 2014 Audi S5 3-litre V6 Quattro. Showing off its aggression with the high gloss detailing on the front grille with its adaptive bi-xenon headlights. Its awesome 5-spoke 19-inch alloys with low profile tires. We've got some awesome detailing on the side skirts. Along with that, a panoramic glass sunroof. To the stylish rear of the Audi S5, we've got a 4-pipe exhaust system with the rear park assist sensors and a reverse camera. We've also got an abundance of boot space. Moving on to the stylish cockpit, we've got black and cranberry blended upholstery with these race style seats of the Audi S5. We've got this awesome paddle shifters. We've got a 3-spoke sport style steering wheel. We've got stylish carbon fiber detailing along with the branded gear knob. We've also got a 7-inch multi-function display with Audi multimedia with navigation. We've got a reverse camera with park assist. Capital Auto World's Audi S5 3-litre V6 Quattro also offers an amazing sound system. It's got a Bang & Olufsen sound system. Quality and certified vehicles you can trust. Be sure to visit Capital Auto World on the corner of Scale End and Old Pretoria Road in Midrand. The only dealer with the 7-day money-back guarantee.